Hello and welcome.
Good morning! We're on holiday.
We're on holiday today.
We're actually in Great Yarmouth today.
Great.
In proper Great Yarmouth.
Let me just give that screen a little wipe. You're looking a bit dirty. Great Yarmouth, yeah. We'll come to the sea. We're going to do a review of something.
Yeah.
That's a separate video. But we're just coming up. We're trying to get a cash machine.
Yep.
Maybe a drink, something to eat or something, and then we're going to head down to the beach.
Yeah, I want a slush puppy. That'd be nice.
Since we got here, just a constant smell up the street, all the way up.
Of deliciousness.
Hot dogs. It smells like hot dogs.
Hold on, the rock place.
So I'm going to get a hot dog.
Right, sorted, you got your cash? Plenty of it?
No. Been walking for like a mile just to get a free cash machine.
Yeah, they're all quite expensive.
£1.99, I'm not paying that to get some of my own money.
We only had to walk a little way to get it free. Right, we've actually come into the town centre-ish bit now. And there's actually a market on, so we're going to walk around the market and just have a look. And actually, there's not actually that much here. I do remember all this used to be full of stalls and stuff, but they all seem to be closed today.
To be honest, I'm not recognising much here at all.
Aren't you?
No.
Very rare you'd go into a market, innit? Do you remember when that time you tried? What was it you tried?
Whelks.
Well, I'd never been so. I think I tried it as well, when I.
Yes.
Oh God, can you smell it? Right, before we leave, we're going to go down Market Row. Not sure if I've been down there before.
Probably a reason.
Well, I can see a sign down there saying gun shop, so I'm intrigued. And guess what? It's closed.
I wanted to get into all this stuff once.
Oh, yes.
I got a doll's house for my daughter and I wanted to do it all up. Never happened.
Oh, it's actually quite expensive, isn't it? All
Yeah,
the little
and
miniatures.
you need to be pretty good at stuff and I'm not.
And time. Need lots of time.
Patience.
You definitely ain't got that. Just gonna quickly drag Dan around this shop. It's got so much jazz in here. It's a huge shop. I'm not gonna be able to film. We actually just passed the hotel and bar up there. Where is it? Oh, here. What is it called? The Troll Cart.
The troll cart.
Yeah.
I remember it. I remember being there before.
Oh, had you?
The word troll.
Oh, I don't
Grabbed
remember
me.
it at all.
So yeah, you are literally going to drag me around here.
Yeah, but then afterwards you're dragging me to the hot dog stall. He's after a hot dog. Come on, let's go inside.
Come on, what junk have you got?
I got some cute bargains. Right, so that was Martin's walk around store. Just a cute little headband, £1. Yeah, I'm not going to put it on. £1. This was the cutest, look, 25p. Can't go wrong.
I have just spent 3 hours watching her look at headbands.
And jewellery and tap. Wow, it's cute. I like it. Thanks, babe. And he paid.
That is disgusting.
Oh, I remember him from years ago. Anyway, I got me slush puppy.
Still haven't got my hot dog.
We're trying to find it.
You might notice I've been very quiet and this morning. It's because I need food and I need
He needs
a cold
fluid,
drink.
Yes, he has got a drink. Just had a laugh. Dad nearly lost his jumbo hot dog.
That seagull up there came right in front of me. Get off.
Let's have a look there. Where's your onions?
Underneath.
Oh, £2.50, or you could get a jumbo one for £1. And
No,
they were
this is a
huge.
jumbo one.
Oh, is it?
No, it's a foot long one.
No, you got the foot long. Yeah, the jumbo ones were huge.
You know what got me mad though?
What?
All the sauces weren't
Yeah.
out.
Oh, weren't they?
No, so I ain't got any sauce.
Oh, no.
So I've been attacked twice.
Be careful.
Attacked twice. I've nearly got through it. I'm grabbing this like... I've nearly got through it anyway. Yeah, this is known as the famous foot-long hot dog.
Yeah.
You know why it's famous? For being the worst 1 foot hot dog in the world.
You should have got the one for the £1. It was big enough.
It's not very nice. Wouldn't recommend it.
Nice.
Yeah, looks can be deceiving. It tastes like a hamburger.
Yeah, they were cooking everything together. Here, look, the horses are here. The horses and carts.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go up and see them.
There they are. Beautiful.
Oh, they're lovely, aren't they? I don't go near it though. Morning.
Yeah.
Is that Tim? No, that's Tim.
And you can't beat finishing off a foot-long hot dog with the smell of horse muck. I can't even finish this, honestly.
Really? Is that bad?
It's that bad, Mazzy. It's
not
that
because
bad.
you feel under the weather.
No, it is that bad. And
Well-
it smells like horse muck.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Usually they're all the inflatables blown up. Wobbly World, I think it's called, something like that. That's the one thing with Yarmouth. The sea itself is usually quite a distance out and you've got to walk quite far. But it's very sandy, isn't it?
Perfect for my review.
Yes, perfect for me flip-flops.
You know what is incredible? It's 21 degrees today. Not a cloud in the sky. It is wonderful.
It's only about 10 o'clock actually.
Ah, it'll be 11 now.
Oh, is it?
Quite not very busy in town,
No.
but the beach. No one on the beach. It's empty. Empty. Beach to ourselves, Mazzy.
Yeah, we're all good.
I've noticed that about British beaches though. You know, you see it on TV like in California and stuff and it's heaving.
Yeah.
You don't get that in England. You used to do.
What about well, yeah, definitely used to.
Used to. People don't seem to bother anymore.
Well, it is like a Friday, isn't it? Everyone's at school and everything.
Well,
Bank holiday Monday weekend. I bet this was packed.
yeah, probably.
Well, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, review done.
Yeah. Come back tomorrow to watch that.
11:36.
Yeah.
I don't know what time we have on the car. We've got at least an hour and a half.
4 hours all in all, haven't we?
It will 1 something. So we've got at least an hour and a half, but I don't know any more than that.
Right, so we're done on the beach now. We're not going to take a walk to the sea.
Definitely not.
Done what we need to do. We're going to go up the fun bit now.
Oh, yay.
Ready for a fun time?
Yeah,
Come on.
do with something to eat. Cracking crazy golf there, Mazzy.
Good one, isn't it? It's really good.
I played on there before
Oh,
with,
have you?
you know, Andy.
Yeah, yeah.
He says he won, I say I won.
I can only imagine who really won. Yeah, yeah.
I love crazy golf. I sometimes think I was born just to play golf.
Do you remember actually? We stayed in a hotel. I think it was over there.
I most certainly do not.
Yeah, do you not remember? And I got freaked out.
No. I don't remember much. I really don't.
He never remembers anything. He's got a head like a sieve. Anyway, I'm looking for the toilets. Oh, look. The sign's pointing down there and it's all construction. Oh.
There must be a way to the toilet, Mazzy. World famous fish and chips, Harry Ramsden's. Where I'm from is the original Harry Ramsden's. A couple of miles from where I was born. Where the fish and chips used to be amazing.
And they used to be 10 cents.
10 pence. But I believe it's an Indian company now who own Harry Ramsden's, something like that.
Really?
I think so. I'm just looking over there.
Yeah.
Hollywood Adventure Golf. Indoor golf.
I never got to do it, but I love that building. It's just Yarmouth when you see that.
I've never ever in my life seen indoor golf.
Haven't you?
No, but I wish it would open because I would love to do that.
Yeah, so we haven't filmed much of our day today. I think we're just enjoying it really, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, I certainly am. You're struggling a little bit. The weather is, if I had to say, it's a bit too hot really. We've not got campsite today, unfortunately, so I'm gutted.
Wild camping in some dodgy lay-by, probably.
Yeah, we don't know where we're going yet, so we've still got all that to sort out, but let's not worry about that yet. Let's just enjoy the rest of our day, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, got donuts, 8.
8.
Not just for me. 50p change. Yeah, they smell nice, don't they?
We got them.
Yeah, they're boiling.
And they're gonna go all over the floor.
They smell so good. Dan don't want one yet. I think I'm gonna.
Too dry. It's too hot for donuts.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Enjoy.
Hot. His worst job of the day. He hates doing this.
There's one bad thing about having a clutch claw. You never ever remember to take it off.
Yeah.
You get in your van, you put your keys in, you're about to go and you put your foot on top of the clutch claw. So you have to take your key out. Usually you have to get out to get it off. Nightmare.
Anyway, getting away from him for a minute. So, yeah, we had a lovely time around there today. Really, really hot, if I'll be quite honest. It's the hottest I've felt this year. Don't know what the temperature is, actually.
21.
I reckon that was hotter, if I'm honest.
Oh, 25.
25
it says.
25. Oh, that reminds me. We got into the van. We shut all our blinds and everything. Now, we thought that was going to keep the heat out and keep it cool. It was like a volcano in here. So what's the best way of doing it? Keeping your blinds open so you're not trapping the heat in, or keeping your blinds closed to keep the heat out and the cool in? Someone let me know.
Good point, but I'd have thought keep them closed.
I would have thought that, yeah. Right, we're off to McDonald's. Gonna treat myself today to a meal and, well, camping. Again, we still do not know where we're going, do we?
Nope.
Let's not stress about it, though. It's been a good day. Gutted. We actually came back with the beach tent today. My goal today was to find a nice little family on the beach and give it to them, wasn't it?
Yeah, but there isn't any nice families in Great Yarmouth.
No, it's Friday and all the kids are at school, so there weren't anyone on the beach anyway. But we're coming back to Yarmouth. I shall get rid of that and give it to some kids that are going to appreciate it. What's all this here? I've never seen all this before.
Park.
Oh, that's quite nice.
St George's Park.
Oh, lovely. So we've gotten ourselves in a right mess. So McDonald's is like in this complex, you know, with all the shops here. The queue out of here is horrendous.
We're stuck.
We're going to be stuck. We haven't even got the McDonald's yet, and there's no parking.
We're not getting a McDonald's, I can tell you now.
Silly McDonald's.
Can you believe it was Friday when we went in there?
Yeah, it's dead on 1 o'clock.
It's Wednesday.
Though.
It's Wednesday now. Been in there that long.
It's dead on 1 o'clock. That was an absolute nightmare. But yeah, we got out alive. They're still queuing, struggling to queue in and get in and out.
There's a woman screaming at me.
Yeah, I don't know what her problem was. We were
Proper
all
screaming.
well, we were all in the same predicament. You didn't do anything wrong, did you? So
No. We found a park up for the night.
it's a new town. It's a new place.
What's it called?
Gorleston.
Gorleston by sea or on sea, something like that.
Just right next door to Yarmouth.
Right next to the, I don't know what it is, river mouth going out to sea or something. But look at this.
Yes, this has become a problem within the last 5 minutes, isn't it?
Well, they're all over on the beach down in Great Yarmouth. And there's just thousands of them on the van. They've got in the van.
Yeah, so it's gotten to the point now. I'm not sure if we can even open the door, but
No, not really.
yeah.
So yeah, this is on Park for Night. There is a pub there which we don't even know if it's open. And there's one over there. So it does say it can get a bit noisy sometimes, but hey, we've had worse, haven't we?
We've had that. To be fair, I was so excited when we pulled up. Dan weren't giving me much confidence about the place. But I love it. I think it's nice.
It's better than I expected, to be honest. I thought this was going to be a main road, and it isn't.
Yeah, it's not too busy really, is it?
No.
That pub looks like it's shut down though, doesn't it?
Yeah, hopefully.
Do you think?
Hopefully, so we don't have to listen to them
Yeah.
tonight. 'Cause it is Saturday night. No, it's not. It's Friday night.
It's the same day. We're knackered now.
Couple of fishermen here, and he's just caught one. It's at least 4 foot. Look at the size of that. It's about 4 foot big. Well, a foot.
My niece just recently went fishing, didn't she?
Yeah, she's
few
getting.
days ago.
She's getting right into carp fishing.
Yeah, these fish were huge. Really good.
I love fishing. It's just the hook bit. I have to get someone else to take the fish off the hook for me
Yeah.
because I don't like it.
And she's a girl and she was like, don't bother me. She coped.
Yeah, for all you guys who have parked on the seafront in Great Yarmouth in the past, in motorhomes and things, it's now no overnight parking all the way along.
That's where I thought we were going to be. Because we've stayed there before, actually.
Yeah. It's, well, it says no camping, so no overnight parking. So that's why we've had to come here. In fact, there's a motorhome up there,
Is
Mazza.
that the one that was in front of us a minute ago?
I don't
Still-
know.
Flies.
I don't know if it is, but I'm interested. Has he found a better spot?
Yeah.
Because,
No.
yeah, there was another motorhome there, and I think he moved because of all the flies, the
Well, it was
bugs.
just a swarm all of a sudden. They weren't there when we first got there, were they?
Well, they're still there now, aren't they?
Yeah, well, they're stuck to the van now.
We've just found the most incredible house in the world.
I don't know if it's a house, a shop, or a museum. Or a storage area.
Hazel home. It's just got thousands upon thousands of owls, mainly.
Up
Owls
the
and
top
birds.
here, boats.
Up there it's boats.
It's unusual,
It's just a normal
isn't it?
house. Lifeboat shop here. RNLI shop. What do they sell in RNLI shops?
I don't know, I've never been in one. Probably badges.
Badges. Shop full of badges. So that's your lifeboat shop, and this is the old Gorleston Volunteer Lifeboat House. That's where it used to be.
You do make me laugh.
Why?
Gorleston.
Gorleston.
Us locals call it Gorleston.
Gorleston. Don't
Gorleston?
be... Gorleston. I can read.
Oh!
All right, it's Gorleston. Yeah, where he's parked now, unless he actually lives in one of these houses, I would never park opposite houses.
No, Dan, you're very particular about that. You don't like sort of being on top of...
Even
The
where we are now,
locals,
I'm
yeah.
always looking around just to see if I can improve
Yeah.
anything.
And we must have moved 2 or 3 times to improve it and turned around and all sorts, didn't we? But yeah, it's not a good view either anyway. Not as nice as
No,
our
but
view.
it is a quieter road. That's the one good thing about it. And I suppose he has parked here, so he's not opposite houses actually. Some kind of business there. And if you want an MOT doing, go to Gorleston MOT and Service Centre. Here you go.
Or if you'd like to write the right directions, go to Gorleston MOT Service Centre.
Yeah, because the man in there is lovely and he just told us where to go.
Because we were going the wrong way.
Well, we weren't, were we? Trying to get into town and they've blocked it off
yeah.
and they've even shut the footpath, which is ridiculous. So we have to walk all the way around now. Councils. Look at that lovely van there, Mazzy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's smart.
Paradise, I don't know if you can see it. Very nice. So, that's pretty much the end of our day. We've just decided on a treat, haven't we?
Yeah.
KFC. It's 1 foot wide, 1 foot high, 1 foot deep, 1 foot long. And it's got to be better than a foot long hot dog, which was horrible. Oh wow, all cars have gone now.
Oh, we're all on our own.
We're all on our own down there. So, KFC.
Yeah.
Box meal.
Such a treat.
Yeah, look at the massive boxes that come in. Massive. That's going to fill me up. And then you open it and you pour everything out of the other little boxes. And you don't get much. Yeah.
No, but you can have my fillet, look.
Look, they give you it in a big box and stuff and fill it out to make it look massive.
I got a fillet burger. I forget, we got 2 different meals, didn't we? Because I wanted the fillet burger. What annoyed me, I forgot I specifically was wanting their gravy. I love KFC gravy. And I asked for coleslaw instead and I forgot. Gutted.
I've got the total cool on. Doing totally 0.
No, this is really good. This has actually been brilliant. I've asked you to do an update and you won't. He still will not say it's good.
I will give you an update on that total cool.
No.
I think it was 400, 200, 300. It cost a fortune and it's rubbish. It is the next morning.
Yay, Saturday morning.
We've had some wonderful views here, haven't we?
Oh, it's been really good.
That red one is huge at the front. You can see the other one there.
I'm just particularly fascinated by them, aren't I?
Yeah, she wants to work on a ship, but
Yeah.
she knows she'll be seasick. You could be a seasick tester.
Yeah.
Right, where are we?
Gorleston.
Gorleston on Sea.
Yeah.
Gorleston on Sea. We're just taking a walk around the other side because that's where the actual beach is here.
Yeah, which I've not seen yet.
Just to check it out and finish this vlog off. And then we're going to move on, aren't we?
Yeah, which I didn't know. I thought I was getting ready and I thought, right, let's get into town. And he goes, no, we're off to blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, we're not telling you where. You'll have to come back tomorrow for that one.
Here, look, show him this, look. This is strange, isn't it? Must have been an old lighthouse.
In fact, there's a sign on the door there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, there are a few campers here last night, not many.
I think there's 4 of us altogether. 3.
No, it doesn't tell you anything. Nice building.
It's lovely, isn't it? Usually get them on the sea. I find that quite weird.
Yeah, it was quite a quiet night for a Friday night. The pub next to us was shut. It must be shut down.
But this pub was opened.
This one was, yeah.
Yeah.
There were girls walking past singing, what was it? YMCA.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
You did. You were aware. You did.
Did I?
Yeah, there were 2 girls with radio on singing YMCA. It was quite funny.
Oh, bless them.
Right, let's go check round here.
But it was good. The locals were good. There were no trouble at all.
They've all went had any funny looks or anything.
No.
The bugs got on his nerves, but
yeah, they soon died
they've
down.
gone. So coming round the corner now to the beachy area. Amusements there. Pub on the beach. Is that what it says, Mazzy? Pub on the
hotel,
pier?
yeah, pub on the pier. You've
Pub on the pier.
Bongo Bingo. Got a little theatre over there. Whatever's in there.
Oh, it is a theatre. Yeah, we saw this old building here and I thought it looked like a railway station, but it's a theatre.
It literally, you can still see the van. That's how far away we are. Or how close
But
we
yesterday,
are.
you see, we just did the other side, which is like your town side. This side is more your touristy side.
Oh, we've got public toilets as well. Oh, this is nice.
What a lovely beach.
Why didn't we come here yesterday?
We went to Great Yarmouth, Mazzy, instead.
Oh, I think we should stay here for the day.
Nah.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, this is quite nice. If you like beaches. I don't think I've been, well, I must have been here before because I've done the whole coast, but I can't remember this place. In fact, I do remember, I have metal detected around here.
Have you?
Yes,
There's
with
a load.
somebody, I can't remember who.
A load more stuff up there, shoppy looking things, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's well nice.
I do remember my story actually from here, Mazzy.
Do you?
Metal detecting.
Do you?
I didn't metal detect with someone, there was someone else already here when I was metal detecting.
Yeah.
And got talking to him, he had the rubbishest old metal detector, you know, these
Oh,
kids
bless
ones.
him. Let's sit down.
Like a kid's one, but
Yeah.
he were an adult. And he was trying to tell me, oh, I come here every day and I make about £50 a day. And I'm thinking, what a load of rubbish.
You didn't make 50 quid in 365 days, did you?
I probably found 50 pence here.
And that
in
was only
change.
because somebody had put it there at Yarmouth, hadn't they?
All right, all right.
Well, this is nice. This is like a little parky area, just here on the beach, bandstand and everything.
It would be nice if there was a band playing.
Want some flowers? Just lacking a few flowers.
Do you want to hold that? We've got some thanks to do, Mazzy.
Oh, big thank you.
Where's my list?
Where's your phone?
Well, firstly, we have a huge thank you to give to Robin Hood,
Hi.
RH.
We love you lots.
We certainly do.
Thank you, RH.
You might notice I was a bit miserable in yesterday's video. I was struggling with the heat and dehydration, and I'm a lot better today.
Yeah.
And RH, you put that smile on my face, along with other people. So,
Yes.
this is incredible. If I can get it on. Right, so, we've got some thanks to give. We've got R.C. Sloan, who has upped his Patreon.
Oh, thank you, RC. That's so kind. Hold on, you're going to have to... Can you hold it?
Yeah, I can
Shall
now.
I read it?
No, I can, no, because you won't understand it, Mazzy.
Oh, it's just the sun was in my eye there.
R.C. Sloan, so you're now on the end credits of thanks, a gold member thanks. Thank you very much.
You.
And a new Patreon just came through about 2 minutes after that. Family of 3 TV.
Family of Free TV.
Yep.
Thank you. That sounds very interesting.
So, you know, we haven't had any for like 2 weeks maybe, and then we get 2 within 2 minutes. It was really weird.
Oh, well, thank you.
And then, super thanks. Wow, these super thanks. Denise Caffey, Craig Leng, Tracy Gallagher, Kevin Darlington, Caravanning in Cara the Van, Southwest Explorer, Andy Steptoe, Tony and Jackie Makepeace, and Dorothy Watson. Thank you.
Thank you all so
much.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. You know, we started off, all we wanted were a coffee. Some people bought us a coffee. Yesterday we got a bit greedy, saying we want a hot chocolate and some other things.
Now we can get a bag of chips.
Now we're going to go for it, Molly. What do you want today? I fancy a doner kebab tonight. I'm in the mood. Maybe a posh restaurant, Toby Carvery or something.
Don't be silly, but no, we thank you.
Massive thank you to you guys.
That's a fun little feature, isn't it? And then, yeah, I like that.
Well, it's good for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really good for us that people help us out like that.
Yeah,
Right, let's take a walk down here and see what's what.
Should we go down this way? Let's go down this way.
Yeah, I'll go this way.
Come on! Come on!
I've decided this is what I want to do when I grow up.
That's never.
I want to get one of these boats and just sit on a bench like these two guys are doing, having lots of fun. That's what you want to be doing.
Oh,
We're
it's...
not growing up, we refuse.
He just says, we're not growing up, we refuse.
It's so good here, but I'll be quite honest, I think it's nicer than better than Yarmouth.
Nah.
Yeah.
You're just excited because you've just finally woke up. But yeah, beautiful boats. Little boating lake here. And then at the far side, you've got like a little water park for kids to run through and stuff.
Look at that.
Okay, there's no kids in here, so we can film it. This is brilliant.
Oh, good.
Look at this. It's just little things like this, isn't it? What we need on us seasides.
Yeah.
We need to rejuvenate us seasides.
Keep the kids entertained. Puts a smile on your face, doesn't it?
It gives people a reason to start using the
local seaside game.
Because if you don't have things like this, people don't come. If people don't come, they don't buy things in the shops. If you don't buy things in the shops shut down. If the shop's shut down, all the houses, everyone leaves the town.
And then they think the whole place has run down, and it's only run down because of you, because you didn't come.
Well, because of them, because they didn't have beautiful things like this.
Well, it is a fishy circle, isn't it? Look at the sand, though. That's beautiful.
It is a lovely sand here, yeah. Very nice. Okay, that's the end of Gorleston.
It goes on and on and on. You're just looking for attractions like there.
Yeah, there's no down there.
Well, you know, it's not all about that either, is it?
Well, it is, isn't it? It needs to keep going.
It's got a lovely feel here. So nice.
Relaxing.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mazzy?
What, running a whole 10k marathon?
10k run, 12 days.
Oh,
12
okay.
days for us to
Complete it.
no, not 12 days to complete it. I mean, it's in 12 days.
If it was 12 days to complete it, I was going to go, yeah, I'll do it.
You've got 12 days to get ready for it. It's on Great Yarmouth front. Shall we do it?
Yeah.
I'm up for that.
We walked 7 miles yesterday,
We did.
didn't we? Just over 7
But
miles.
this is running. Half marathon.
Well, we'll do it in half the time then, won't we? Silly.
Just going through emails. Steptoe, thank you very much. I've just deleted your 3 because I did reply to a comment this morning. It went to a lot of trouble finding us places we could stop and things on the south coast.
Oh, yeah.
And he emailed me 3 times.
Yes.
And then we decided we weren't going to the south coast, so I felt bad.
Thank
But
you for
thank
the
you.
effort.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite strange. We got 2 emails from 2 different people in the same day.
Oh, yeah.
Anthony Carter was one, telling us about an app called Too Good to Go.
Go to waste. Food
To
go
waste.
to waste, basically.
And it's where you can... You know one already, don't you?
I know
called
Olio.
Olio.
Olio. I've got an app of that.
And basically, yeah, you can...
You can pick up free food.
Pick
and
up free
stuff.
food from supermarkets and
That particular
stuff.
app that you advised wasn't good. The Olio one is actually better.
Yeah.
But wasn't it really strange? We got 2 of them in the same day.
And it's not something we'd do, though, is it?
No.
I think it should really be for people who really need it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, there's times we have needed it, but...
But I mean, I think it was on the vlog we brought the pound sausages, and then we got it, didn't we? These 2 emails. I think that's where it came from.
Yeah, maybe. And the other was Rich and Steph, so thank you for telling us about it anyway.
Yeah.
But no, we don't need that. Maybe one day. Maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
But yeah, good app for people to check out.
Yeah.
You know, if you do need...
Personally, I did look at that
some
one
bargains.
and the Olio one. If you're interested in that kind of thing, you get free food and, you know, it's people
Or
are-
very cheap food.
No, not on the Olio.
Yeah, on the other one, which they're recommending.
Oh, yeah, your one, yeah.
So, cheap food or free food.
Yeah.
And all you have to do is pick it online, say, yeah, I'll have it. And
go and pick
go
it
get
up.
it, go pick it
I
up.
think it's a really nice idea. I've actually had the app on my phone for a couple of years now.
It's to stop food being thrown away because too much of
Yeah.
that happens, doesn't it?
And also helps people, you know, struggling. So
Yes.
that's nice. Right, where are we going? We've got to go down here.
I don't know, I'm lost.
Got to go down here. You're busy gabbing, that's why.
And across from where we parked, an amazing little fun fairy bit with a pub. You know, something for everyone over there.
Yeah, we've got a takeaway, cafe.
Right, that is us with Gorleston. We're done.
Love it. Absolutely love it. Give it a go. I've never been here before. I don't feel I have.
Great Yarmouth. We'll probably be going back to Great Yarmouth anyway.
Yeah.
So that isn't over yet. We hardly showed you any of that because I knew we'd be going back. But yeah, that is it from here.
Yeah.
Catch us on the next one. Thank you all for watching. We love you all very, very, very much. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, from us to you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.